to set the same image duration to all of your photos in CapCut PC. First, import all of the images you want onto your timeline. And as you can see here, the default duration is 5 seconds. But what if I want to make it much shorter? What if I want to make all my clips much shorter? What we normally do is drag one clip at the end and adjust the duration. But imagine I have to do it for all of these 20 or something clips. Or imagine that you have 100 photos and you have to shorten all of the duration. That is such a waste of time. I will show you how you can save time. First, highlight all of your clips. You can do this by dragging your mouse over, or you can do this by pressing Ctrl A. And this highlights all of your clips. Then click on any of the clips and shorten it. You can do this by dragging it to the left. It doesn't matter where you click and shorten it. It will automatically change all of your clips to the same duration. I'll do it again. See here? It is 1 second, but I want to make it 20 milliseconds. Then we can adjust it by dragging it to the left. Now it is 20 milliseconds. As you can see here, now we have 20 or something clips that are all 20 milliseconds long instead of 5 seconds.